What's up, guys? So today I am playing with Andrew, as you can see, because he's new at the game. But we are gonna be doing a challenge, which is keycaps versus no keycaps. And as you can see, I have no keycaps, which is like kind of annoying. Here, hold up. My fingers feel deformed, but this is what it looks like. I only have my space bar because like it would be impossible. But Andrew has keycaps on, so what's it got? We're gonna be doing duo squads, and we're gonna separate, and whoever gets the most kills wins. And we're gonna be doing a total round of 30. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get straight into it. Actually, yeah. Okay. Okay, we're starting off pretty good. A gray AR, bunch of wood. We could get max. I don't think I'm gonna win this competition though. Oh, bruh. I can't do anything. Okay, green AR, we're doing good so far. We upgraded. That's all that we needed. Oh, my fingers though. Okay, man, I'm calling, pump. Nope. Oh, but I need kills, and I still need shield. Oh, but what the? Okay. Oh,
nice.
I'm just gonna find some shield, and yeah. We're just gonna harvest first, actually. Oh, bro, I don't even know. Wait, what? I don't even know what I just said, but I don't even know, like, what my keys are. I know them, but barely. Oh my goodness. Actually, I'm gonna go grab some shield very quick. Okay, let's park this right up here. All that we want is shield. I'm trying to save my mats. I think this was a smart play. Here. Okay, let's skip over to a fight. Oh yeah, there's a truck here. Oh, hello there! Yo, what? Confusion? Wait. Oh, that's a real play. Oh, we did. And my game. We good. No, we are
let
not
it
good.
die, let it die, let it shrivel up and come on.
Pop this bucket. My goodness, bro. Yo, what? I swear. Oh my word. I didn't even see them. Bro. Okay, we have Andrew seeing some kids. Maybe we could get the first kill. Oh, he takes the launch pad. Oh, good job. Wait, I don't. Let's get Oh, bro, my fingers.
What are you aiming at?
Being shot. Okay, complete miss, as we could all see. Oh, Andrew gets beamed. We don't know what's gonna happen though. Okay, Andrew takes the kill. Is there bandies? He gets the med kit, but his team is coming back, so no one knows. Oh, he got the med kit down. Okay, so Andrew dropped game 1. Okay, Andrew dies. Goodness, where are these frame drops? Oh my, I of course land somewhere where somebody's at. Okay, but game plan. Okay. Bro, I swear. Don't die. Oh, that sniper. And we could grab this. Oh my word. What? But just somebody pop this. Then we'll be good. I bet we could. No, he's going down there. I bet. Oh my, I almost just stole his kill. Bro, forget about this. Bro, I'm breaking this kid down. I don't care. Bro, let me out of the cow! Oh my goodness. Let's go, he died. He died anyway. Bro, can I build?
What are you doing?
Andrew round trying to. Bro, how do I get off a cow? What? How do I get off a cow, stupid?
The middle button.
I don't know what a middle button is.
The middle button. Yeah, oh my gosh.
There, my goodness. It took you years to answer.
I know, right?
Goodness, round dead. Oh my word. I'm done. Forget about this thing, bro. I'm dropping it. He has 30 more seconds, so I could go get that. Oh my word, Andrew. No, forget it. Let's just go fight him. Then a whole new team comes. Come on, give me this. I need this. I need this. My word, bro. What is this? My goodness, bro, I swear. I hate this. My word, close. Okay. Done. Let's go. 1 kill. We took round 1. We took round 1. Let's go. We good. Oh. Oh my. Get me out of here. I'm dipping. Okay, the boy acts like I don't hear him. Oh, good old boy. Yo, bro, this guy good? My goodness. Swear, bro. You're trying way too hard. Yeah. Yeah, what's up? Stay down. Same ad kid. Yeah. Where your teammate now? Where your teammate now? Yeah. Let's go. Stay down. Stay down, bro. Where's your other teammates, bro? Like, actually. We're low-key popping off this game. He's gonna aimbot me. I'm calling it. Never mind. Oh, no. No, bro, I got it from this alien. Or I could actually, like, snipe his head off, probably. Sorry, bro, I'm sniping this alien. Where is it? Yo! I bet. Now that we've done that. Yo, aim please. Prosper. Wow, bang that. Let's go. Yeah. What a big pot. Am I blind? I already took a game 2 for sure. But oh bad boat. I wanna destroy this boat. I'm gonna take it down and snipe. Oh my! I like how I could have sniped them way more early ago. My goodness, bro, stop spraying me! Oh, nah, bro. What's my launch pad? I'm hopping in that boat. I don't care. We could still catch this dub. Oh my, if we're not having FPS drops. Three white.
You have to get out.
Okay.
But I'll be on small if you
Okay. Yeah. We're popping off. Oh my, bro, with the no keycaps also? Okay, almost dead, but we good. No, I could die. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goodness, bro, leave me alone. My goodness. Whew. Come on, we can make it. Let's go, we made it. Whew. Bro, we just dropped 8 kills there. But I think I took the I think I took the game dub, but yeah, I think I took it. Cause like I dropped 8 kills, game 2. Like, come on. Like, I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video after this round though. Hold up.
Siri, enable aimbot.
Oh my word! How? How? What? Yo, bruh. Hold up. What? Let me see. Bruh, oh my goodness. I bet. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yes, I think I won. I'm gonna be making another video later, and yep, bye.